Hi, I'm Tyler Bellotti, and welcome to the 10th Wiki Jing video for the Introduction to Python class. In this video, we're going to bang around with and fiddle with some CSV files. In fact, I have a problem with a program I was trying to create that I managed to fix that I'd like to show you for this video. So let's open it up. Where did I put it? CSV search. Now for this one, we had to make a program that could search through a CSV file for one column, all the different types of classes in one column, similar to our last video, and find all the ones that were auto. Then print all the class numbers for those auto classes, and only those. Well, I came across a lot of problems with this. My first try, I tried to make it a dictionary, and when I tried to print a different row number other than the row itself for the first one, or 0, it kept giving me a key error, and I couldn't figure out why. So it took me a lot of time to actually figure out that it was because I was in a dictionary that it was doing that. Because remember, in dictionaries, you can only print from the key, not from the value itself. So for this search engine for our CSV files, we first had to import sys, obviously, so it could locate the file it needed. Import CSV so it could read CSV files. It knows the CSV format, which, if I recall, is string only. When you pass data values and information through a CSV, it has to be in the form of strings, if I remember correctly. And obviously all the string values are separated by commas. Comma-separated values. See? So for this one, we set file as the identifier for this file that we opened, which was reformatted CSV again, as reading, because we don't want to accidentally write over it. And then we did set the identifier reader as CSV reading this file. Now, in order to make this search engine, we made a define, so we could effectively change what we wanted to search and what class. So, define search as criteria. Criteria was the identifier I set for what I'm going to search, aka right here, which is going to be in the if statement. So for each row in the reader, for the data in the row, if the criteria auto, in data, print row, but only print column 1 of the row. So we wanted to search for all the auto classes, and we only wanted it to print those. So let's try it. And there we go. It printed all the auto classes. I believe it also automatically sorted some of them too. We got 14392. Is that an auto class? Well, let's check the Excel spreadsheet. Auto. Do we have 14392? Let's scroll up. There we go. As an auto class, 14392. Now let's scroll down and say ETEC. That's a 1294. So let's see if 1294 was in here. 126. 126. More 126s. More 126s. And so on and so forth. No 1294. So it worked. Well, let's try and close this. And let's try, what was it? ETEC. Let's try that. ETEC. and save, and see what we got. Now, we do have, wait, you gotta move it over. We do have 1294. So this way, we could effectively search for what type of class in our spreadsheet, in our CSV file lists, and choose the row that's married with that list, or with that class type, and print the rows. Or, if we wanted to, we could also print other rows as well. Like that. So if I tried running this, we get 14392. Oops. And we got M auto classes, which was line 3 or column 3. And there you go. This way, it is more as just a direct read or list, so you can just print from whatever row you want, while as a dictionary you're restricted because of the way dictionaries work. And, well, now you know how to search through a CSV file for what you want, and print what you want. Well, that's all for this video. See you the next time. Goodbye.